What if you could have a direct impact on the future of humanity? Who are we? We are constituents of the universe on the never-ending quest to put the future in the hands of humanity. We are not just scientists trying to improve the world. We are the tangible manifestation of matter over mind. We are philosophers of hope, tenacity, and imagination. We are the infinite eagles.
Is an opportunity to get a certification where they can also work in industry, but in the airspace companies. Most of those individuals that work in those industries, particularly in our programs, are engineers.
And improve it with the lithium-ion batteries. And solar panels and make it more self-sustainable.
So if you're going to go camping and you need some coffee or some tea,
Our team doesn't look for breaks. Our team looks for breakthroughs. We laugh at limits and we laugh at gravity. And that is why we are the Infinite Eagles.